Let us continue with the sum again. Machine sold as scrap for 10,000. Okay, machine sold as scrap for 10,000 and rate of depreciation is 15% and additional depreciation is 20%. As additional depreciation rate is always 20% even if it is not mentioned in the sum. So let us start with the solution. Okay. Opening WDV of the machine. How much? 1 lakh. And purchases during the year. How much? 60,000. It's coming to 1,60,000 less sales consideration or sales as scrap. We have sold a machine as a scrap, so sales consideration is 10,000 as discussed in the sum. Okay. Machine sold as scrap for 10,000, so it's coming to 1,50,000. So I have a positive value at the end, that is my WDV before charging depreciation is positive, and there is a block in the asset, so we can easily charge depreciation on it. Okay. Less depreciation. First, out of this 1,50,000, we'll first take out the new asset. New asset is 60,000. Okay. So 60,000. Rate of depreciation is 15%, and we had a discussion that it will be considered from the date of put to use, and date of put to use is on 1st January. So the asset has been used for less than 180 days, and since the asset has been used for less than 180 days, we will charge half year's depreciation. Okay. 60,000 gone out of 1,50,000. Okay. I am left with how much? 90,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So we will first eliminate the new purchase. Okay. Eliminated. 60,000 depreciation calculated. Then I will go for the remaining asset. Okay. That is 90,000. So on 90,000 is the old asset. So on 90,000, entire year's depreciation will be charged. It is 15%. So your depreciation is coming to 18,000. Okay. And additional depreciation, they have told 20%. Additional depreciation is charged on new machinery apart from normal depreciation. Okay. So on new machinery, normal depreciation is charged. Again, on new machinery, I'll charge additional depreciation at the rate of 20%, but here also the same rule applies, that if the asset is put to use for less than 180 days, okay, then I will